Because if I let her see me tired, flat, with nothing to give, she might as well see I wasn't that guy at all. So I never let it drop. I stayed on. I'd keep going till I couldn't. And when it started slipping, when I could feel her pulling back, I didn't stop performing. I performed harder. She seems unhappy? Do more. Give more. Plan something. Every time the act strained, my answer was always the same. Try harder. Be more. I never once thought that the performance was the problem. I thought I just wasn't doing well enough. So I doubled down again and again, running faster and faster on a treadmill that was taking me further from her the whole time. And then I couldn't. It broke in the worst place. In conflict. She'd bring me something, a hurt, a frustration, and I had nothing left. No energy to truly listen, no space to understand. My body was telling me, stop, breathe, you're empty. But I didn't listen to my body. I forced it because that's what the performance demanded. So I pushed through, trying to be present when I had nothing to be present with. And it wasn't real. It was just the act, running on fumes. And she could feel it. She could feel when I slipped. And that slipping, it was the realest thing about me. The only moments she saw the actual man were the moments where I was too tired to perform. That's what it cost me. I'd drive to see her completely wiped, telling myself I have to make this count. I have to be on. So even my exhaustion became something to push through, not something to honor. And slowly, I lost my own voice. I didn't know how to just be real. Because real men tired. Real men flat. Real men sometimes having nothing to give. And I decided that man wasn't enough. So I buried him and performed over the top of him until I was completely spent. We were in separation, and in that space, something cracked open because I stopped fighting, stopped arguing with her version of things, stopped defending the man I was trying to be. I just accepted it. And through that crack, I finally saw it. My ego, holding on for dear life to one image. I had been performing that image so hard for so long that I never asked even if it was even real. And when I finally looked, I was floored. I could suddenly see it. Where I was being me and where I was just playing a role. I'd spent years confusing the two. Love was never asking for the performance. I was. I thought I had to earn her love. Be funny enough, strong enough, on enough. But that's not love. That's a transaction. Love isn't control. It's freedom. It's letting someone choose you, the real you. The messy, tired, unpolished, sometimes has nothing to give. You. That's the only one love actually wants, not the performance, the man underneath it. Love owes me nothing. She owes me nothing. No amount of performing earns it, no ledger guarantees it, and the moment I accepted that, something let go. Because if I can't earn it, then I can finally stop trying to. I can just be. and let love do what it does. So now I check in with myself. Do I actually want to do this? Do I have the energy? If I do, great. I show up fully. If I don't, I say so. I don't put my hand up for things I don't mean. I don't perform a yes I don't have. And when I'm tired, flat, with nothing clever to say, I let her see that man. Because that man is real. And I don't need to perform to earn love anymore. I just give it and let myself receive it without the act. I'm doing my best, showing up as myself, tired days and all, but I've made peace with something. I don't control how this ends. As much as I love her, I can't perform my way to the outcome I want. I'll do my best, and I'll see where that gets me. That's it. That's all any of us can do. Stop performing. Start being. And trust that the right love doesn't need you to be anything other than what you already are. If you want to explore this deeper, I send out a newsletter every week. Real conversations, real insights, the stuff that actually matters. Links in the description.